Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about family. That is very important chapter, very important in sociology. So we are going to talk about the family. With this appeal that please subscribe and share to all groups. For all groups, now we are going to start the family. Here we will understand the concept of family, and we could understand the characteristics and types of family in this short video. Basically, we could understand in a short manner. There is no society in the world where there is no family name. It is definitely found in some form in every society. Whatever needs of human beings are fulfilled by family, it is not possible by other groups or institutions. This is why man feels the need of family and stays in the family. A person is born helpless in this world, but he is maintained in the family and gradually he learns the customs of the society. That is, socialization of a person takes place in the family itself and becomes a social animal. By the law, a person keeps on learning something for a lifetime, but in the family he gets the initial education of social life. Hence the family is the most important center. The existence of a society depends to a larger extent on an institution called family. Every society has its own culture, which the family transfers from one generation to the next. The work of maintaining the continuity of society and its culture is done by the family itself. Thus the family, the universal institution, is found in every society. The word family has originated from the word famulus in the Latin language, under which parents, children, servants and slaves are also included. In general, parents and their children are included in the family. According to McIver Page, a family is a group based on sexual relationship. It is small in size and it arranges for the birth and upbringing of children. There have been groups based on sexual relationship, limited size, both of children and upbringing are necessary in family. According to Osborne and Nimco, the family is a permanent union of spouses with children, or a permanent union of a man or woman or man living one alone with children. In this definition, the family is defined as a union in which the spouses are. Kingsley Davis has given the definition of family, stating that the family is a group of individuals in which people are related to each other on the basis of marital relationship, and they are also related to each other. This might also define the family as similar to Osborne stated that man and woman in a family generally have a permanent relationship. According to Burgess and Locke, a family is a group of individuals organized by marriage, blood or adoption relation, forming a household consisting of husband, wife, parents, son, daughter and sibling interact with each other for the social work and build and maintain a common culture. It is clear from the above definition that family is a group of persons organized by marriage and blood relations. There are direct and primary relations between them. It is a permanent organization in which the needs of the people are fulfilled and they are bound by the spirit of each other. So, now we could understand the characteristics of family. Emotional basis. Emotional relationships are found between family members. There is feeling of love, cooperation, sympathy, sacrifice and affection among them. Limited size. Family size is limited. Generally, the family consists of the husband and wife and their children. But in addition to these, there are other nearby blood-related people. Normative influence. Family has constructive effect. The family plays a very big role in the creation of element of the person. And mating relationship. It is only through marriage relationship that men and and woman form a family, this relationship is for a short time or for a long time. A form of marriage. Family is based on the form of marriage. Every society is a form of marriage. Is found in different form in different places. For example, there is a prevalence of married family in a society. Then a polygamous family in a society. It is clear that marriage is form of institution which is prevalent in a particular society. A common habitation is the common residence of each family where all its members reside. Universality, the family is a universal group. Any society in the world, whether modern or traditional, urban or rural, complex or simple, a family is definitely found there. There can be difference in the form of family in different place. Permanent and temporary nature of the family. When a family is considered a group of individuals, then it is temporary, and it is considered a collection of rules, then it is permanent, keeping in mind rules of the family such as rules of marriage, succession of property, etc. We find that these rules are always present. In this sense, family is of a permanent nature, but when keeping the member of that person, then its member can be destroyed such as marriage, separation, death. It is from this point of view, family is temporary. This is to say that family is permanent as the institution and as temporary as the association. Types of family. The family is a universal group. It is found in some form in every society. Different form of family are seen in different society. Types of family on the basis of number of families. Central or nuclear family. These types of family consist of husband and wife and their unmarried children. In the modern era, the trend of central family is increasing steadily. And joint family include close relatives and blood relatives in addition to the central family, nuclear family. Ordinarily, members of several generations live in a common place in such a family. Their food is also made in kitchen and their property is also collective. Means in joint family mainly there are 3 generations are compulsory. Its members earn wealth according to their capacity and power, but it consumed equally by all the members. Now extended family. When the joint family is very dispersed, it is called extended family. The inheritance remain the same. The spirit of inheritance keep the same type together in one sutra, in one line. In the extended family, some of the next generation can live in a residence and economic unit, but some are also divided as a separate unit. Mixed family has mixed character of both. Single family means nuclear family and joint family. In industrial and urban area, the family function as a central or isolated one, but theoretically he is tied to a joint family, living as a member of joint family. One lives alone in cities. As a result, their attachment to their joint family gradually decrease. But at the mental level, there is consciousness of the joint family. Due to this, they participate jointly on marriage, social, cultural and religious occasions. Thus, a mixed family is similar to a central family at the economic level and joint family at the mental level. Now, types of family on the marriage basis. Monogamous family. In this type of family, a woman has a marital relationship with a man. A woman or man is allowed a second marriage only after the death or dissolution of the spouse. Polygamous family. In such family, a man has many legs. That is, one man at a time establishes marital relation with many women. In this type of family, right and power rest in the hand of men. Polyandrous. Polyandrous family. In this type of family, women have many husbands. At present, the prevalence of such family is found in the Khas of Jonasar Babar region and Toda tribe of Nilgiri. If all the husbands of a woman are brother-in-law, then it is called fraternal polyandry family. And if they do not have brother or blood related relationship, they are called non-fraternal polyandry family. In such families, women do not go to their husband's home. Group Punalian family. This type of family is called group or Punalian family. When many brothers or many men get married with many women in such family, all men are equally husband to all family. Types of family on the basis of authority. Patriarchal family. In this type of family, the father is the head of the family. The father and the man take the financial decision regarding all the issue of the family. And matriarchal family, in this type of family, women are the paramount. Women have a higher status than men in the family. The final decision on all matters regarding the family is taken by women, and then decision is accepted by all members. And types of family on the descent. Patrilineal family. The patrilineal family run in the name of father's clan. After the marriage, woman assumes the surname of their husbands. Matrilineal family. The matrilineal family runs under the name of the mother's clan. The father's lineage does not matter in this. Women and mothers are known by the surnames. And types of family on the basis of locality. Patrilocal family. In a patriarchal family, all the members live at the residence of the father. Matrilocal family. In the matriarchal family, all the members live at the residence of the mother. And new local family, such family settle neither at the residence of the husband nor the residence of the wife, but they settle at a different place from both. In the modern era, such families live in employment, job and industrial centers where the person works. For example, nowadays urban families where the persons get work, they settle here. These are the concept of family, types of families and characteristics of families. Thank you. All the best.